Borithi eriwa kwa kaitaka mieri ithatu ithirini kwithirite kwina makarika 97 yekurukura wa na njira ya kumakania kiru ari na ndiki bandeto munini wa munene wa borithi augite ne baumbite guchunkuna gichunje kya 90 kumakiriana kya makarika ya na gwikira mpine athuganirua bakiuga ati makarika ya erithira ya kiana kya kinyana mbajwa ya mathuganio kuthuka ku chumi na kinyantu kona sinema cha uragani kaitono ko munene wa borithi ba utweria Amin Mohammed ethirite ne ndiki nyakyo kakanya na ukanukia ati ni bedrite bakithikira thimu cia Kenya na nkurukio ukanukia ati ni BAKUGWATA antu na utanda bakubораga tabureni ndi Boniface Mungera au tutariria
Kiregerekereria kuboreria nthiguru igure makarika ja uragani kiri mumbire jo ekuru jeretu jo karika ja nthiguru ne rwangirwa polisi mo pieso mantu ja mumbire jo jenda ibashumire tina banenkanire itumi bire thirikari Kenya kwethura ithuganiria ibi utuma makarika jaja kethura ja kiumira itumi bibi nabyo vikariojo.
Mental illness is something that we can actually look into. We cannot also ignore the fact that there is a lot of movies watching and everything, and people think that life is not sacred. It's so simple just to kill just like that. You'll agree with me that economically we are not where we should be. Globally, there has been economic recession, so people are obviously a bit stressed.
Kwa meri ithatu irithirinio rwangirwa polisi thurukiandikithia kesi 97 cia makarika ja mumbire jo mwekuru kwithirwa bakiurawa makarika ja uragani ja kwaria ja Nairobi jaria mwajo ithukorio naku mwankira thai ituri muthuganiro munene Collins Jumaici atagwatwa nyuma kurakire sel cha polisi.
90% of femicide cases have been thoroughly investigated, resulting in arrest of suspects, with these cases now pending in courts.
I appeal to all of us to become more conscious of our environment, the people allowed us, strangers.
Jaujare unajo jange NPS ukurukira rwangirwa DCI ibakano ketinya bathigiria baka polisi banthurwa Kenya batithore BAKUGWATA na njira withokana na gichungu kwa abduct na inya batithore betumira mitambo yao gutrakanto ukurukira njira thimo.
Like I said, if we arrest people, we take them to court, to gazetted police stations, and then subsequently arraign them before court. Issues of the police mobile conspiring with the service providers, we don't do that completely. If at all we are interested to get information from the service providers, we do so through the lawful means. We go to court, swear affidavits, and serve that court order to the service provider.
Report Rantoshero TV kuma jaki ngine ne kineki mushusho Nairobi mbeta Boniface Mungera.